This is the Todd lock, appropriately loaned to me by Todd. I think Lock Noob has a video on this lock. Actually, I think that's where Todd got this lock, was from Lock Noob. Six was binding, but I don't think it's up all the way. I think maybe it is now. And that was 5. 1 is binding. Let's see, maybe 6 still isn't up all the way. Oh, there we go. Guess I just didn't have enough tension on it. Kind of nasty keyway you got to pick from that warding right there. That's why I had to switch to a deeper hooked set. Was it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Looks like a 6-pin lock. So let's get this. Guy didn't have a look. Come on out of there. Alright, since this is a loaner, I do have permission to cut it, but I'm going to use a shim. Just in case. Oh, there's the 6 key pins. Felt like these were all standard drivers. Maybe a key pin or barrel or something on 6, but I kind of doubt it. I think I just didn't have it up all the way initially. There's no milling or anything. There's that keyway. So I'm guessing these are all standard. That's a tapered. And they're tapered, so maybe they're just tapered, but felt like all standards. They did not feel tapered. They're all taper drivers. All right. Thank you, Todd. That is the Todd lock.